divergence 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 of a vector point function. Divergence of a vector. So it means that in other words, simply what we can say that divergence is nothing but a dot product. Okay. So for dot product, for which one we can apply only for vectors, not for scalars. Okay. So here it is. Let us write the definition of that. So definition is also important. We already saw that they asked definitions also. So divergence of a vector. So the definition is the divergence of a continuously continuously differentiable vector point function. Continuously differentiable vector point function. Vector point function capital F. So we are giving that function is capital F is denoted by simply we write it as div form. So is denoted by div. So this one we write divergence is nothing but simply in word notation how we'll write div and is defined by the equation and is defined by the equation divergence f bar is equal to, of course, as if you write small f, we write it as that is nothing but a bar, and we wrote here at capital F is nothing but obviously that is representing vectorum. So, and this is in word notation and symbolic notation how we wrote del dot f. Okay, so del dot f. So this is nothing but simply we can write I dot dou f by dou x plus z dot dou f by dou y plus k dot dou f by dou z. So this is the definition of divergence of vector. Okay, so I dot dou f by dou x plus j dot dou f by dou y plus k dot dou f by dou z. If suppose if we are taking that, if capital F is equal to, I am taking the vector is nothing but small f I plus and phi j plus psi k. Psi k. Then divergence f bar is nothing but how to calculate that? Then divergence f is equal to, so symbolic notation del dot f is equal to, simply what we can write, we already know that del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, right? K dou by dou z dot. Okay, and f is nothing but what we chosen, f phi plus phi j plus psi k. Psi k. So dot product we are applying. Of course, we already applied this. Dot product is nothing but simply we need to apply this one as here it is having I coefficient of, that is nothing but simply what we'll get dou f by dou x plus j dot j coefficient, that is nothing but dou phi by dou y plus dou psi by dou z, dou psi by dou z. It means that simply by seeing what we can say that divergence f is always a scalar point function, right? So if you apply dot product is nothing but obviously what you'll get scalar point functional. So simply we can write note 1. So divergence f bar or divergence f is a scalar point function. It means you will get it as a scalar if you apply dot product for a function. Scalar point function. Scalar point function. So this is divergence f bar. And next, if it is obviously the f is a constant one, then what about dot product? So f is a constant vector. So f is a constant vector, then what will say that then the dot product is what? F is a constant vector, then divergence f is equal to 0. Divergence f is equal to 0. Why? Because here it is, if you apply derivative for constants, so dou by dou x of 1 or dou by dou x of 2, obviously 0. Dou by dou y of constant, 0. Dou by dou z of constant is also 0, right? So if f is a constant vector, then divergence f is equal to 0. And next another one, so divergence of f bar plus or minus g bar is equal nothing but simply we can write divergence f bar plus or minus divergence of z bar, divergence of z bar. Okay, and next one, another important note. So this one we use in identities. That one is nothing but here it is having if phi is a, if phi is a scalar, phi is a scalar function, phi is a scalar function, and f bar is a vector. F bar is a vector function. Vector function, then vector function, then a bar dot del into phi is equal to a bar dot del into phi is equal. This is nothing but simply what we can write a bar dot I bar into dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou x plus a bar dot j bar into dou phi by dou y plus a bar dot k bar into dou phi by dou z, dou phi by dou z. So which is equal, this is simply we write summation a bar dot I bar into dou phi by dou x. Here it is phi is a scalar function and a vector function is f bar, then a bar dot del phi is nothing but simply we can write it as a bar dot I into dou phi by dou x, and this one. So this one we use in identity sum. So vector identity, see how in that one will apply. Okay, and next one here it is having del dot f bar. So del dot f bar is not equal to f bar dot del. Del dot f bar is not equal to f bar dot del. So both are not equal. So align a dot product and car. Okay. So del dot f bar must be not equal to f bar dot del. Okay. So these are the properties we can say that are node points we can use. And next one, another very important one, solenoidal vector. So very important. So in divergence we learned solenoidal vector, and in curl we learned irrotational. Solenoidal vector. Solenoidal vector. So here it is having. So this is the formula a bar dot del into phi is nothing but, so by using dot product what we are writing here, I dot dou f by dou x, right? So here it is having a bar is the vector and del is nothing but I dou by dou x, and phi is a scalar. So scalar is nothing but that is applicable for each and every term, right? So simply suppose here it is having phi is equal to x square plus y square, and then del phi is nothing but how to calculate this one, I into dou phi by dou x, right, plus j into dou phi by dou y plus k into dou phi by dou z. Like this we calculate. Why? Because this is a scalar. So that's why here it is having, we wrote this one, I into dou phi by dou x, j into dou phi by dou y plus k into dou phi by dou z. And a bar is a bar is a vector. So a bar into I into dou phi by dou x, a bar into j into dou phi by dou y, and a bar into k by dou phi by dou z. And that only simply without any summation notation. Okay. Next, solenoidal vector. So this is nothing but if it is a phi item, so this is phi formula, and suppose here it is having vector also we said no. So if it is a vector, the formula is here it is having a bar dot del into f bar is equal. So this is nothing but summation a bar dot I bar into dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x. Okay. So here it is if it is a vector, not dou f bar. Okay. This is another one. And now coming to solenoidal vector. So what is when we say that a vector is said to be solenoidal? Okay. So any idea about that? When we say that a vector is said to be solenoidal, a vector point function, a vector point function f bar, f bar is said to be solenoidal, is said to be solenoidal if divergence f bar is equal to 0. After applying the dot product, if we are getting a 0, that is nothing but obviously what will say that that vector is a solenoidal vector. So this equation is also called known as the, so another names also we have. So equation of continuity, equation of continuity, equation of continuity or conservation of mass. So same solenoidal vector, these names also we call conservation of mass or equation of continuity. Okay. So when we say that a vector is said to be solenoidal, if the dot product is equal to 0, then we call that vector is a solenoidal vector. And without calculating, simply can you say that a statement constant vector is a solenoidal vector, right? Constant vector is a solenoidal vector or not? Why? Because if it is constants in the sense, obviously dot product 0. Already we said here, see here, if f is a constant vector, then divergence f bar is equal to 0. So it means simply what we can say that constant vector is a solenoidal vector. So why we are saying solenoidal vector means that the product is equal to 0. So that's why we'll say that that is a solenoidal vector. Okay. Next, let us see the problems on this on divergence. First one, if f bar is equal to, if f bar is equal to, so xy square I plus 2x square yz 2x square yz minus 3yz square k, 3yz square k. Then find divergence f bar. Then find divergence f bar at 1 minus 1 1. Is this new one? No, yesterday already we did a divergence dot product. We applied in the angle finding as well as direction derivative. So all those topics we applied dot product. Same way we need to apply dot product here. So here it is, the given vector is here nothing but f bar is equal to xy square I minus 2x square yz minus 3yz square k. Right? So this is the vector. Now we need to find the del divergence f bar we need to calculate. So this is nothing but in symbolic notation what we can say that del dot f bar. So del is nothing but already we know that I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z plus k dou by dou z dot. So here it is having. So f bar. So f bar is nothing but what we have xy square I xy square I and plus 2x square yz minus 3yz square k. 3yz square km. And now, so apply dot product for this. Dot product is nothing but I dot I is equal to 1. So then dou by dou x of xy square plus j dot j, that is nothing but j coefficients dou by dou y of 2x square yz. And next, plus dou by dou z of k coefficient is here, it is having minus 3yz square. So with respect to x means y is a constant, simply you can write outside. So dou by dou x of x plus with respect to y means which one is constant? 2x squared z is a constant and remaining dou by dou y of y minus 3y is a constant and dou by dou z of z square. So which is equal to y square into the derivative of x is 1 plus 2x squared z into the derivative of y is 1 minus 3y into z square derivative is nothing but 2z. Now, so what we got it here, it is divergence y square plus 2x squared z minus 3 into 2 is nothing but 6yz. Got it right or wrong? So here it is vector we taken and we applied dot product, we got a scalar. So this is divergence f bar, but they're asking at a specific point. So at a specific point is nothing but simply divergence f bar at the point is here, it is having 1 minus 1 1. Now you can substitute that point here, it is having in place of y as minus 1 whole square plus 2 into x square and z is nothing but 1 minus 6yz, 6 into minus 1 into 1. So simply what we got it here, it is having 1 plus 2 and plus 6. So this is equal 9. So this is divergence of a vector at a specific point. Okay, divergence of a vector at a specific point. Next question. So nothing newly we did here, just we found divergence, that is nothing but dot product we applied for the given vector and simply we substituted the point what they give. And second question, if f bar is equal to x plus 3y into I plus y minus 2z into j plus x plus pz into k. Pz into k is solenoidal. Is solenoidal. Is solenoidal. Then find p. Then find p. So this is the one. Okay. So here it is it necessary to find solenoidal? They mention them. So it means what we need to mention, what we need to find, and what the information they give. If we see that already they mentioned the vector, that vector is a which vector? Solenoidal vector. So solenoidal vector is nothing but obviously dot product is equal to 0. So it means divergence f bar is equal to 0. By using that condition, we need to find the value of p. Okay. So first we can write the given vector. So given vector is here, it is having given vector is f bar is equal. Here it is having x plus 3y into I plus y minus 2z into z plus x plus pz into k. X plus pz into k. Also given what they mentioned, given that also given f bar is a solenoidal vector. Solenoidal vector, right? This is the information they gave in the problem. So solenoidal vector is nothing but what we can write, that is divergence f bar is equal to 0. So this is the condition they mentioned. So divergence f bar is nothing but, so those who know, just you can find and tell the answer. So del dot f bar is equal to 0. So del dot f bar is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z dot F bar. So F bar is nothing but here it is having x plus 3y into I plus y minus 2z into z plus x plus pz into k is equal to 0. So dot product here it is I dot I is equal to 1. So that is nothing but simply dou by dou x of. So here it is having x plus 3y plus dou by dou y of j coefficient of y minus 2z plus k into dou by dou z of not k coefficients. Here it is dou by dou z of x plus pz is equal to 0. X plus pz is equal to 0. And now first we need to apply with respect to x sum. Dou by dou x of x is nothing but 1 and this is nothing but 3y derivative is 0 plus y derivative with respect to y is 1 and minus 2z is nothing but 0. And next plus here it is with respect to z is nothing but first x here it is and derivative 0 and the derivative of pz is nothing but pm. So p is equal to 0. So here it is if you observe that what we have 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. So 2 plus p is equal to 0 and then p is equal to minus 2 ohm. So the value of p is equal to minus 2. Then only we can say that that vector is a solenoidal vector. Other than p, minus 2, we can't say that that vector is solenoidal. So therefore, p is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is the one. And next question. Next one, find divergence F bar. Find divergence F bar, where F bar is equal to grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz minus 3xyz. So very important. Yeah. Find divergence F bar where F bar is equal to grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So generally for finding divergence is nothing but we require a vector. But here it is in the problem directly they mention the vector? No. So what they mention here it is having F bar is nothing but grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. It means first you need to find the vector from the given condition. So for this, so given vector, so given that f bar is equal grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, minus 3xyz. So it means first you need to find the f bar. So grad is nothing but which symbol we are using? Del only, right? So del of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz minus 3xyz. So here already we know that del is nothing but what? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z into. So vector scale what they mentioned here it is having x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz minus 3xyz. So is equal to I into. Now you can multiply this one inside of the term. Dou by dou x of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. And the same way plus j into. Here it is having dou by dou y of. See clearly, carefully. So if it is a scalar, how we are writing. If it is a vector, how we are writing. So this is a scalar. So for that we are multiplying each and every term with that scalar. If it is a vector, simply we apply the dot product. Okay, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is f bar. And now I bar into dou by dou x of this one with respect to x means x cube derivative is 3x square and this is 0, this is 0, and here it is remaining minus 3yz plus j bar with respect to ym. So this is constant, this is also constant, 3y square minus 3xz plus k into dou by dou z of this one. So dou by dou z of this one is nothing but simply what we can write. Here it is having with respect to z means x and y are constants, right? So it means simply same like as previous one, z cube derivative is nothing but 3z square minus 3xy. So this is the vector f bar. Okay. Now for this one, we need to find divergence. Same this problem you people will get in next curlum. Curl same problem you people will get. So now divergence f bar is equal. This is nothing but del dot f bar, right? Del dot f bar. So del is nothing but already we know that. So del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. This is nothing but del, and f bar is nothing but what we calculated. So what we got it, I into, so this is nothing but 3x square minus 3yz plus j into, so j into, so that is nothing but j into 3y square minus 3xz plus k into 3z square minus 3xy. Now dot product term. So if you are applying dot product is nothing but I coefficient, I coefficient. So here I coefficient is dou by dou x, and here I coefficient is nothing but 3x square minus 3y plus dou by dou y of with respect to y means 3y square minus 3x plus dou by dou z of. So here it is having simply what we can write 3z square minus 3xy. So this is equal to, here it is having with respect to x means y and z are constant, the derivative is 0, and 3 into x square derivative is 2x. And coming to this, 3 into y square derivative is nothing but 2y, and this derivative is 0. Why? Because there is no y coming there. Plus 3 into, here it is having this is 0, and z square derivative is 2z. So it means simply what we get it, 6x plus 6y plus 6z, and here it is 6 is the common one, that is nothing but 6 into x plus y plus z, 6 into x plus y plus z man. So this is f bar. If it is a f bar is equal to grad of this one, then we need to find divergence. Okay, next problem. Next one, if r is equal, so this is the view, if r is equal to xi plus yj and zk. So in some of the cases, they mention capital R is nothing but small r bar, and capital I is nothing but I bar, J is nothing but J bar, and K is nothing but small k bar. If you are writing capital letters means obviously that is representing vector. Now, then then find find divergence R. Then find divergence R. Just by seeing the question, I think we can say that the answer for this. Anyone? What will get the answer for this? So R already they gave. So position vector they gave. R is equal to xi plus yj plus, right, yj plus zk. This is R. And now we are going to find divergence R. So divergence R is nothing but simply we write del dot R. So del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, and dot R is nothing but here it is having xi. Of course, here we wrote a small I, so xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Our capital letters also you can write in place of this. And now, so dot product is nothing but obviously dou by dou x of x is 1 plus dou by dou y of y, and next dou by dou z of z. So dou by dou x of x is nothing but 1 and dou by dou y of y is 1 and dou by dou z of z is 1. So this is equal simply what we get it 3m. So this is the one. Next. Next. Next problem. So very important problem. So maximum they ask number of times this one in different ways they may ask this question. So prove that divergence r power n into r power n into r is equal to n plus 3 into r power n plus 3 into r power n. Along with that, hence to show that hence to show that hence show that r by r cube, hence to show that r by r cube is solenoid. Yeah, same this question number of times they asked in externals and number of time in different ways the same question they may ask this one. Okay, so very important. So here it is having through the divergence of r power n r is equal to n plus 3 into r power n. This is first question. And second question we need to show that r by r cube is a solenoid. Okay, right on that first one. So r is there, obviously what we need to write, so capital R is equal simply if they don't mention we have to choose that xi plus yz plus zk be a position vector, right? Be a position vector, be a position vector. Then what about magnitude we'll get for this? Then r is equal to mod r bar or r is equal simply what we write square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Squaring on both sides simply what we'll get r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So this is r square, right? So r square is equal to what we got it x square plus y square plus z square. So differentiating r with respect to x, partial differentiating r with respect to x on both sides. Then simply what we'll get r square derivative is nothing but 2r and the derivative of r is nothing but dou r by dou x is equal with respect to x we are applying means x square derivative is 2x. Here it is 2 both will cancel and dou r by dou x is equal simply what we can write x by r. Similarly, if you apply for with respect to y, similarly what we'll get dou r by dou y is equal y by r and dou r by dou z is equal z by r. So this is the information you need to write. I already we said it. So if they mention the problem r is nothing but you need to write complete information about this. And now go to the problem what they asked. So here it is having so divergence of r power n rm. So here it is having divergence of r power n into r. So which is nothing but divergence is nothing but simply what we are writing del dot, right? So del dot r power n rm. Okay, so this is equal to del dot r power n is nothing but simply what we can write here, it is having r is nothing but square root of x square plus y square plus z square, right, whole power n, into r is nothing but simply xi plus yz plus z, right, xi plus yz plus z. So z is equal, so del is nothing but simply what we can write, I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. Don't confuse small letters, capital letters. Okay, if you write capital letters, we no need to put bar. And if I take the small letters, simply we are putting as bar. So dot square root of. So this is nothing but simply what we'll get, x square plus y square plus z square whole power 1 by 2. Right? This is nothing but n by 2. So square root is nothing but simply we can write it as x square plus y square plus z square whole power 1 by 2 whole power n. So this is in the form of, if you see that a power m whole power n is nothing but a power mn. So that is simply what we can write, x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 into xi plus yj plus zk, right? So now we are applying dot product between these two vectors. So then simply what we'll get here, it is having, if you are applying dot product in the sense, here it is having I coefficient is nothing but dou by dou x. Okay, so of this total one, right? X into this total one. So x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. So this is, and dou by dou y of y into this total one plus dou by dou z of z into this total one. So simply you can write summation. Okay, so if you don't write summation, it may come lengthy one. Okay, so no, nothing will wrong. If you take it as directly also, nothing will wrong. Okay, now here it is having divergence of r power n into r is equal. So here it is having summation. So what we wrote again, we are writing dou by dou x of x into x square plus y square plus z square whole power what? N by 2, right? Whole power n by 2. So this is equal summation dou by dou x of this one. With respect to x means this is one function and this is another function. It means here it is having product of two functions. We need to apply UV form, right? X into dou by dou x of this one, right? Dou by dou x of x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 plus x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 into dou by dou x of x. Okay, so this is UV formula just I applied. So this is equal summation x into, so here it is having simply what we can write, the derivative of this one is nothing but, so what will get the derivative for this, here it is having the derivative is n by 2 into, right, n by 2 into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 minus 1, and then so power we applied, now we need to apply for the derivative, that is nothing but 2x1, right, plus this is as it is x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2, and the derivative of x is nothing but 1. Okay, so this is equal to, here it is having simply what we'll get, here it is 2 both will cancel, and x into x sum, that is nothing but x square. So n into x square into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 minus 1 plus x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. This is only if you applied derivative with respect to x none. So with respect to y, if you apply same this one, you will get it or not. And with respect to z is nothing but you get the same thing. Just what will replace here, in place of x square you may get it as y square. And this is as it is you people will get. So it means simply what we can write if we expand the summation. So this is the common thing, right? N into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 minus 1, okay, into So here it is having x square. So x square, and if you write for y square, you'll get y square, and with respect to z, z square you will get. This is the one plus. Here it is for x we got it, and y also we got it, and for z also we got it. That is nothing but. So if you take this one also common, x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2, if you take common, so here it is having 1, 1 and 1. So this is the one. Finally you you will get it if you don't write summation and if you expand it directly. So here it is having, here it is having power 1 number, right? So that is nothing but simply what we can write, a power m, a power n. So simply we can write n into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus this is nothing but 3 into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. So here it is having minus 1 plus 1, both will cancel. And then simply what we got it, n into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 plus 3 into x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2. In these two, which one is the common one? Here it is having x square plus y square plus z square whole power n by 2 is the common one. If we take that one as common, simply what we'll get, n plus 3m. Okay, n plus 3. So this is nothing but x square plus y square plus z square is nothing but, already we know that r square, right? R square whole power n by 2 into n plus 3m. So here it is having 2 both will cancel. So therefore, simply divergence of what they asked, r power n into capital R is equal to what we got it, n plus 3 into r power n. So that one only they asked to prove that one or not. See here, divergence of r power n r is equal n plus 3 into r power n. And next one more thing they asked. What they asked? So we need to prove that r bar by r by r cube is nothing, is solenoidal. It means simply what we need to substitute. So this is the one we proved. By using this one, we need to prove that one or not. Okay. So if n is equal to minus 3, what will happen? If n is equal to minus 3, then what will happen? Here it is having divergence of r power minus 3 into r. Just I substituted in place of n as minus. So minus 3 plus 3 into r power n. It means simply what will get it, divergence of r by r power minus 3 is nothing but simply we can write r cube or not. So which is equal, minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So this is a vector. So divergence of any vector is equal to 0 is nothing but simply what we can write, r bar by r cube is solenoidal, is a solenoidal vector, is a solenoidal vector. Is a solenoidal vector. So that each of the following vectors are solenoidal. Each of the following vectors are solenoidal. It means what we need to show that. Asking to show that the following vectors are solenoidal. It means what we need to prove here. Right. So divergence F bar is equal to 0. That one we need to prove, right? So this is minus x square plus yz into I plus 4y minus z square x into j plus 2xz minus 4z into k. And second one, 3y power 4 z square I plus 4x cube z square j plus 3x square y square k. 3x square y square k. So it means simply what we need to prove for this. So for proving the vectors, hmm, for proving these vectors are solenoid is nothing but what we need to prove. We need to prove that divergence f bar is equal to 0. Of course, first you need to give names for this one. This is nothing but f bar. Okay, so divergence f bar is nothing but simply what we'll write del dot f bar, right? So del dot f bar. So I into dou by dou x of this one. So that is nothing but directly I'm writing dou by dou x of minus x square plus yz plus dou by dou y of 4y minus z square x plus dou by dou z of. So this is nothing but 2xz minus 4z. And now with respect to x means minus x square derivative is nothing but minus 2x. And with respect to ym, so with respect to y means simply what will get 4. And here it is having this is completely 0. And with respect to z means simply what will get here it is having 2x is a constant. So 2x and z derivative is 1. And minus 4z derivative is nothing but minus 4. So here it is minus 2x plus 4 minus 4. So simply what we got it 0. So therefore f bar is a solenoidal vector. F bar is a solenoidal vector. And next in the same is second one. So second one also same thing we need to prove, right? So now, so dou by dou x of dou by dou x of 3x 3y power 4 z square plus dou by dou y of 4x cube z square plus dou by dou z of 3x square y square. So simply what we have to write. So is there any x term in that? No. So 0. And is there any y term? No. 0. And is there any z term? No. So obviously this is nothing but 0. So therefore simply we have to write the same. So this is a vector which is a solenoid. Okay.